Okay, so today we are going to start a new chapter, and our chapter is money. We are going to start with the simple interest. In simple interest, we use some new words. One used is principal. Principal, which is the amount. Principal, which is the amount. The principal, which is the amount deposited or money borrowed into a financial institution, either a bank, it can be anything where you have borrowed some money. The money that you deposit there or you borrow from there, it is what we call principal. Then we have something interest. This is the amount or extra amount that you pay back after a certain period of time. If you have borrowed, you pay it back. If you have deposited, they pay interest to you. So there is another thing which we call rate. Rate, it is the interest percentage. It is given in terms of percentage and it is given per annum. Per annum, which means per year. Then we also have interest now. The interest which we have said, we have the formula of getting simple interest, which is given by principal times rate times time. Time, it is the duration. Time, it is the duration. So rate is mostly given in percentage and it is also given per annum, which means per year. Are we together? Then the time is the duration that the money is going to take, either where you have deposited or the time taken to return the money that you have borrowed. So today I want to have an example of on how to get an interest given the principal rate and time, and then you are asked the simple interest. You use the formula that I have given you. Simple interest is given by principal times rate times what? Times time. So we are going to have an example here whereby we are going to see how we can do and get a simple interest. A vegetable vendor deposited shillings 20,000 in a cooperative society that offered 12% simple interest per annum. And per annum, I've said it is per year. How much interest? How much interest did the vendor earn after 4 years? After four years. Step 1, write the formula. Step 1, you write what? You write the formula of getting simple interest, which is given by principal times time, rate times time over 100. Are we together? So we have the principal, which is the amount that was deposited, which is 20,000 times the rate. The rate is given in terms of 12%, which means 12 times over 100, and then times the number of years, which is what? Which is 4 years. So by 0, by 0, by 0, by 0, which will remain with 200 times 12 times 4. Whereby 12 times 4, you get 48, and then 48 times 200, you get Kenya shillings 9,600, and that becomes the interest or the simple interest that was offered to the vegetable vendor at the end of the 4 years. That's how you get the simple interest. You use the formula, having discussed what is P. P, it is the principal, the amount either deposited or borrowed. Rate, it is the percentage that it's going to be charged, the amount that you're going to deposit or to borrow. And then right time, it is the duration that the money is going to stay where you have deposited or the duration that you are going to return that money which you have borrowed. Are we together? So for today, tomorrow we talk about something else. Thank you.